Hey, this is the instructional video for the Making the Right Money Moves assignment that is for Wednesday. You're going to be turning to pages 18 and 19, 18, 19, and 20, sorry, and doing situation A and situation, you know what, let's just do situation A actually, because I think that's going to be plenty for you for just 20 minutes. Okay, so the thing to know about this assignment is that it's really dense. Like you have to read every single word like really carefully. And there's a few different pages you have to flip to back and forth. So let's take a look at this first one. So it says, today is May 15th, payday. You work for Smith and Ramirez, the furniture maker. You bring home a check for $1,134.10. So there are a bunch of checks on these pages. You're not going to use that for this first one. The checks that are on these pages right here are checks that you would write to pay somebody. But this first instruction about getting your own paycheck from Smith and Ramirez, the furniture makers, is going to go on the next page. This is a check register. So you can see that I wrote on there, whoop, Smith and Ramirez deposit, because I saw up here the last paycheck they got on May 3rd. They wrote deposit there. So I'm seeing the same thing 2 weeks later, deposit on 5/15 from Smith and Ramirez. And then you'll notice that over here, there's two different columns. Sorry about my nail polish, that's really embarrassing. There's two different columns. There is a, if you're going to pay somebody else, that's going to go here. But this is a paycheck that's coming to you, so it is going to go here. So notice I wrote the dollar amount in that first part, and then that smaller part is where the coins go. So, and then from there, what you would do is you would write, like, add. Hold on, let me see if I can get this right. So your balance before the paycheck was $338.81. So you're going to add $1,134.10 to that. So anything that's in this column right here where it says deposit or credit, meaning it's a credit to your account, is going to be added to that balance. Anything that is in this column where it says payment fee or withdrawal is going to be taken out of your account. So as you're going through this assignment, like I said, like you really have to read every word super carefully. Once you have written that paycheck in the register, there's another part for deposits that you need to know about. And in personal finance, you're going to see this a lot. A lot of the times we give you the thing, have you use it so that you learn what it is by using it. So if it seems like things are unfamiliar at first, that's fine. Like that's where you're supposed to be. That's where we're expecting you to be right now. Just do the instructions and you'll kind of understand as we go. Okay? So you got your paycheck. We're still on step one. But once you see the rhythm, once you see the flow of how it's supposed to go, it'll be easier for you to do this on your own. I'm going to get you through like the first maybe 2-3 steps, and then you'll be able to do the rest on your own. Okay, so you got your paycheck, right? $1,134.10. You recorded it in your register and found out the balance with the paycheck added to what you already had. Then you go back, and you will notice you have all these checks that you can write, but at the end, on the second page here, there are some deposit tickets. So deposits are when, like you get a paycheck in or you get money in from somebody that's going into your account, you do a deposit ticket. You're going to fill out, since this is a check that's coming in, you're going to write $1,134.10. Again, dollars in the big box, cents in the small box. You're not adding any cash with this deposit. You are, let's see if I can get this closer so you can read it too. You're not adding any other checks on this deposit. It's just this one. So your total, again, is going to be $1,134.10. You're not taking any cash out from getting this deposit in. So then your net deposit, meaning like after everything is all taken out and put in, the net deposit is still going to be $1,134.10. Then you're going to endorse the check here. So I wrote Mrs. Allen for deposit only. That shows that that's how you don't want to you're just cashing it or just putting it into your account. That's step one. We did it. Good job. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. So the next one says, today is May 20. You have bills to pay. Remember to record each item in your check register first. So remember that check register is this thing on the next page over here. This one right here. So before you even write the check about it, you should record it right in your register, because that's what the instructions say to do. All right, so it says, okay, write check 126 payable to Safe and Secure Financial for your monthly car payment of $317.60. Now remember, we're going to write it in our register first and then write the check, so let's do that. Okay, so we got, and I'll probably leave you after this check. I just want you to know how to do this, and then, you know, you can carry on your own. Okay, so here so on this first column where it says number or code, that's where I write the check number. So this is number 126. Check number 126. The date is May 20th. And the transaction description was like a car payment for $317. Okay, so it's going to Safe and Secure Financial. And it's going to be for $317.16. So I'm going to put that in the payment fee or withdrawal section. So it's going to go right here, so that I'm taking it out of my account. $317.60. And then from there, I'm going to go over here and balance that out. So I'm going to have added the 1,134, and then I'm going to minus 317.60. Okay? So you're going to go through and just get as far as you can with this. If you don't finish this all during asynchronous time today, I'm thinking we're going to have some time to do it in synchronous so that you guys can work together on it a bit more. Okay. This video is 7 minutes long, so I'm going to stop it right here and let you guys work on this. All right, see you later.